A chemical tank exploded and ruptured at the Nippon Dynawave Packaging facility in Washington State, U.S. on Tuesday, May 26, leaving one person dead and 9 injured, while another 9 remain missing as of Tuesday night, authorities said. Drone footage showed the extent of the damage, revealing a collapsed chemical tank and several damaged and overturned vehicles following the explosion. A joint written statement from Nippon and the Columbus County Sheriff's Department said that a tank containing white liquor, a chemical solution of sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfide used in paper pulp manufacturing, ruptured at approximately 7:50 a.m. local time. Although the tank was initially estimated to contain around 80,000 gallons, officials later said it held nearly 900,000 gallons of white liquor, with an estimated 90,000 gallons of material still remaining inside the damaged tank. Recovery efforts will continue on Wednesday, May 27 at the site in the city of Longview in Columbus County, about 45 miles north of Portland, Oregon. As the tank remains unstable, Longview Fire Department Battalion Chief Matt Amos said during a press conference. Earlier, officials also ordered tens of thousands of residents to evacuate their homes in the Los Angeles suburb of Garden Grove on Friday, May 22, due to a damaged chemical tank that was at risk of leaking or exploding, potentially releasing toxic fumes into the air, emergency responders said. Firefighters sprayed the tank with water using mechanical equipment designed to maintain a safe distance from personnel, stabilizing the temperature and buying us time, reported Craig Covey, Division Chief of the Orange County Fire Authority, in a video posted on social media. The damaged tank contained methyl methacrylate, The damaged tank contained methyl methacrylate, a highly flammable and volatile chemical used in plastic manufacturing and aerospace production, according to the Orange County Register. The situation, which began on Thursday, May 21, occurred in Garden Grove, a city with approximately 172,000 residents located about 30 miles south of Los Angeles.